Just imagine what it would feel like to get paid 5 cents per song you listen to. Here is how to do it. Step 1. So, on Pixabay.com, there are hundreds and thousands of songs that you will be able to listen to and download for the next steps. We are not going to simply download any songs that we see there. I am going to show you some exclusive tips that I used, which will help you make more money. Now, if you go onto the left-hand side of this page on Pixabay, you are going to find all these music listed under different genres. We got electronic, upbeat beats, beautiful plays, main titles, alternative hip-hop, modern classical, ambient, and many other genres that you can see there. There are a lot of different songs that you can find there, and each of these songs can make you approximately $2 each over and over again. Step 2. In Step 2, what you are going to do is simply go there and find any good track, then press the play button and the song is going to start playing. You can listen to the song until the end, and if you find yourself liking it, and if you think other people will enjoy it too, then you can move on to the next step. But if you don't like it and probably other people might not like it too, then simply leave it and try listening to other songs. For this article, we're going to use an example of pop music as a category. I am going to use this example because pop music is very trendy, and you will most likely be able to quickly make decent money using the genre. Step 3. You can also just play a few seconds of the song right there on the platform and see if it's a good one, and ask yourself if it's interesting. Or you can ask anyone near you if that song is good for recommending if he/she feels the song is nice too. Then you can head to the next step. Step 4. The next step is to find and click on the download button to download the song into your computer or smartphone. We have to do this at least several times by listening to these songs, selecting the ones we like, and then downloading them to our device. In preparation for the next step, take note, the more songs you listen to, and the more songs you download, the more money you are going to make. So, I advise you to spend a bit more time on this step listening to these songs and downloading the ones that you like the most interesting. Step 5. Now for the next step. Go to this website right here called Upload Forever. Upload Forever is a free website that is going to pay us money to share our music files. Now, I know you might be asking yourself, but what if many people download the same song and upload it to this website? How are we going to get paid? Millions of people from all over the world, like video creators, editors, and artists, among others, are looking for tracks like these from Pixabay, and they don't have any idea about the existence of this free platform, Pixabay.com. And we are not going to be getting traffic from the same source as everyone, as it says right there on their homepage. We can upload our files safely and then withdraw the profits from various payment methods, or you can choose to convert those profits into products. How does this work? Now, the way the system works is that when someone downloads the file that you uploaded to this website, they'll be presented with some ads first, which they can choose to skip or watch. And this platform is sharing that ad revenue with you. And that's how both you and this platform are going to be making money. Let me show you a real-life example of how you can multiply your earnings. But before we do that, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are reading this article. That way I can create specific content for your region in my future tutorials. Step 6. The next step is to sign up on the platform. Don't worry, the sign-up process is very simple, and it will take you less than 1 minute to complete. You only need to provide some basic info about yourself right there. Once you log into your brand new account, you can click here where it says Make Money to see how this works. You will get the best pricing around the world from the platform. How much will you earn? How much you get paid depends on where most of your downloads will be coming from. For example, if most of your downloads are coming from Tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3. If you have downloaded from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, you will earn $4. And if you get downloads from Tier 1 countries, you will get paid $7. You can check out all the different ways when you visit the platform. How can you withdraw your earnings? You can withdraw your earnings on this platform by using PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Ustream, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Western Union, or you can select from any of the other payment options on the platform. Therefore, I want you to tell us in the comment box what payment method you prefer, and I'll always try to write articles about that as well. What is the minimum payout? By the way, the minimum payout threshold on most of these is just $1. So as soon as you reach their minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw any amount you have earned. Moreover, if you scroll up there on the platform, you will see that there are about 5 ways you can make money from this website. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.